And after 1 hour of driving, we are here in Fitzroy Falls. Yeah, it's still a long walk, but this is the entrance. We actually drive back to get here. I don't know where is Inigo. Maybe Inigo is already down there. Because when I get down of the van, yeah, I ran to the toilet. Yeah, because I just drink the chocolate milk. And that is not good for me. That makes me go to the toilet. Inigo is here now, and he is not just a regular outfit this time. And this is the falls. Wow, wow, it's huge. Wow. This is scary. Amazing. This one feels like a blue mountain. And there are different lookout, not just the one that I showed you a while ago, but there are other more here. Another thing is this is an easy walk. Yeah, you can wear any attire you have. You don't need special shoes like Inigo. He's just wearing the usual attire. Not accessible by wheelchair because of this, but on that area it's okay to have a wheelchair. Here it's not. Yeah, Inigo said this one is similar to Blue Mountain because of those big rocks formation, the cliffs and the falls and the trees. Yeah, this is the other view of the falls. Oh yeah.
Macquarie Pass to this area. Yeah. And then the one.
There is another viewing area here to see the lookout, to see the falls. This view is really similar to the views in Blue Mountain. Actually, this place is not too far to Blue Mountain. Yeah, maybe 1 or 2 hours drive, maybe 3. I'm not sure. And there are actually more sight to see, just like this one. Another viewing area here. This one is called the Richardson Lookout.
Isang falls. Tama to, tinaasan nila, no, Robby? No?
Tinasan?
Ano? Eh, siyempre, pag may malungkad na tao. So, pwedeng yung mukhang ganyan, di ba? Nakatulad natin.
Oh, what?
Look what I found. This is an ancient stovetop. They put their coals and they cook here.
Really?
Yeah.
This looks like a tree.
No. It's a stovetop. Turn the heat on.
Okay.
It's ancient technology.
Okay. Oh, there's a snake. And we are now going back to the car park. As you can see, there is this nice walkway If you are regularly visiting a national park, it's better you buy the annual pass. Yeah, with annual pass, you don't need to pay for the parking. Yeah, the annual pass is about $60 or $100+ depending on national parks that you're going to visit. If you have national pass, you don't need to pay here in the card machine.
Natin yung ano, no? Ayun na natin, no? May microwave dun sa taas, eh.
Look at this. Navy is cooking food in the microwave. And rice cooker. Yeah. And later on, there will be alarm.
Driving in Australia's international airports are stopped by customs for a variety of reasons, including behavior. Sometimes the signs are subtle, often they are not.
Say, yes, there is food, or yes, there is traditional medicine. Can you check to see what really involved?
Sa mga restaurant sa Amerika,
Hindi. Tugin yun.
and we are here again in Cabramatta. Yeah, Inigo become addicted to the Vietnamese restaurant over there. And this is what Inigo bought. Lots of vegetables. He also bought this thing.
Dinosaur X.
Dinosaur egg.
Parang
Ano yan?
sinikwela siya. Tingnan natin, ha?
Oh. And after about that 1 hour of driving, we are here now at the Burwood near the train station. Inigo said, yeah, there's like a Chinese place. This is my first time here. And Inigo bought this in the Cabramatta. Yeah, very light and dry.
Okay lang.
Yeah. This is something not easy to become a favorite. And yeah, this is the like the town proper or the city proper. Yeah, or the main shopping street of Burwood. Yeah, this actually feels like the extension of Haymarket or the Chinatown in Sydney.
Baka na may miss ko yung Starbucks.
Hmm?
May miss ko Starbucks.
Bút tay ọc xanh ha.
Marami pa mga kung ano-anong mga kainan.
Colorful eh, no? Ganun. You know, here in Burwood, there are so many different restaurants. But yeah, almost similar to those in Haymarket in Sydney CBD. Yeah, Korean, Thai, Japanese, Chinese, yeah, Indonesian, Malaysian food. Yeah, everywhere around here. Just if you walk straight in this road, there is also a Filipino ice cream shop. Yeah, this one it says Cariton Gelato Sorbet Dessert.
Support our fellow countrymen.
Salamat.
Sa cup. Pwede pala yung sa phone. Yan sa cup na lang.
And yeah, this is the second floor. Basically, one of the building has this kind of food court, but yeah, it is mostly Korean, Chinese, Japanese. Yeah, kind of foods.